Travelers using Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James this summer can expect greater use of technology for their journey. This as the airport operators have installed more check-in and customs options which include using your smartphones. It's a part of an ongoing renovation of the facility which should be completed in a few months. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Passenger flow at the Sangsters International Airport for January to May 2018 is already up more than 6% over last year. MBJ's commercial business manager Sharon Hislop-Holt says that's impressive as the traditional busy seasons have not started as yet. The winter season at the end of the year is one such season when visitors flock the island. The other is summer, where thousands of passengers come in and go out using this port.
We have a lot of children going overseas. We also have a lot of persons coming here. It's 4th of July weekend, and we actually have some airlines which have additional flights coming in just to take in the passengers for 4th of July. And also you mentioned the festival, Sumfest, as well as ATI in Negril. So persons will be coming to Jamaica for the summer.
It's why she says more workers have been deployed to the ticketing area to provide assistance to incoming travelers with forms and the necessary immigration paperwork. For those leaving, she advises that the various new technology options be utilized for easier processing.
Passengers leaving can check in using their smartphone, tablets, etc. and save their boarding pass on same, and that will expedite the process here when they're departing. We also have 100 self-serve kiosks in departures where passengers can use to do their own check-in. So we try our best to put things in place for efficient expedition of passengers' needs.
Mrs. Hislop-Holt says the summer numbers aren't up as yet, but with the local school term now ending and the usual annual music festivals around the corner, that should change soon.
This week into next week is when we expect to see the majority of the persons coming in for those festivals. From next week closer to the end of the month for independence emancipation.
More than 4 million travelers use the Sangsters International Airport yearly. That's over 70% of the international travelers in and out of the island. Herman Green, TVJ News.